In today's Excel Basics lesson, we dive into how to customize the header and footer in your print setup, even when the default options don't fit your needs. Start by selecting your worksheet, then go to the Page Layout tab, click on Margins and choose Custom Margins to open the Page Setup window. Inside, go to the Header/Footer tab. Here you can customize your headers and footers beyond the preset options. For example, you might want to change the header text to your course name, such as Excel Basics Course, by typing directly into the header section. Similarly, in the footer area, you can add personalized details like your name, page numbers, dates, or even the course title again. This level of customization means your printed pages carry exactly the information you want, giving them a professional and polished look. Once you finish editing your header and footer content, click OK to save your changes. When you print your worksheet, these customized headers and footers will appear on every page, even if they weren't originally available in Excel's default selections. Mastering this simple but powerful feature helps make your Excel printouts more informative and personalized, tailored exactly to your needs.